Welcome to MIS2000 Web Based Training. My name is Linda Fournier and I am the Migrant Education Services Data Systems Specialist at Tri-Valley Opportunity Council. Thank you for joining me. MIS2000 is the migrant data management tool. The system has been configured specifically to the needs of our migrant students. MIS2000 allows you to store data from certificates of eligibility, COEs, education records, health information, as well as additional information collected by our state. Run unlimited reports, create your own reports, print copies of COEs, run eligible student counts, as well as federal performance reports, and much more. Its data collection and reporting capabilities make it a powerful software. Here is MIS2000 web-based login screen. If you have an account but forgot your password, please click on the link provided or contact Linda Fournier. If you are unable to view the login screen, please contact Linda Fournier. This may be a firewall issue and it may need to be disabled. How to do a student search. To do a search for a student, make sure the Students tab is selected. Search for a student with first and last name or date of birth. You may also use parent's name to do a search. By selecting the box next to Active Only, select students who are within the 36 windows of eligibility. If you unclick that, it will pull up students that are outside of that 36-month window of eligibility. You may also do a search for students in a district. To do a search for students in a district, make sure the Students tab is selected. In the top right-hand corner, in the Choose LEA box, start typing the district or select the district from the drop-down menu. By selecting the box next to Active Only, select students who are within the 36-month window of eligibility. You may also do an advanced search by clicking on the plus with a circle around it icon. You have a list of students that was the results from the previous screen for the district you selected from the drop-down menu. If you go to the left-hand side of the screen and expand the arrow to that student, it will show you enroll dates, grade level, and the school/facility they attended. If you go to the right side of the screen with the three lines and hover over, you will be able to view the student record, list COEs for the student, and add student to a new list, which will then go into the Lists tab for you. If you would like to export the student list, click on the header box, then go to the hamburger right to the right of it to export the list. This will be downloaded as an CSV file, which is similar to the Excel file. You may also search for a COE on MIS2000. To search for a COE, make sure the COE tab is selected. Search with first name, last name, or birth date, COE ID, or parents' names. By selecting the box next to Active Only, select students who are within the 36-month window of eligibility. You will also want to make sure that COEs with status says All. Results from the search page will appear if there is a COE with the search criteria you had entered. If you go to the left-hand side and expand the arrow, it's going to show the family's current address, student ID, M6 ID, last and first name, date of birth, and school/facility. If you hover over the right side where there are three lines, which is the hamburger, you can view the COE, and from there you can also print the COE as long as it has been approved by Minnesota's SEA. You can also edit the COE, but only if it is your COE. You may also view student records, export student list, and add students to a new list. Entering a COE. To ensure you are not entering in a duplicate COE, do a search for it before entering. If no duplicate COE comes up with the qualifying arrival date the family is giving you, please click on the New COE button. By selecting the box next to the active only, select students who are within the 36-month window of eligibility. The Family Data section. Ensure you are selecting the correct school year. Begin to enter the family information. If the family qualifies for a McKinney-Vento Act service, click the box. The Child Data section of the COE. After you enter all the necessary child information, click Save Student. If this is not clicked, all the entered information will be automatically deleted and you will need to enter it in again. Here's the qualifying moves and work of the COE. If you select 4B, a pop-up window opens up for you to enter in move number 1 and move number 2 for recent history of moves. In the signature section of the COE, due to the coronavirus, we have added a box for you to click. It says, due to COVID-19 pandemic, signature was unable to be collected. Verbal authorization was obtained, and the interviewee agrees to the above statement and the information collected on the COE. You will still need to enter the interviewee's first and last name along with the relationship to the child and the date. For you, you will want to sign the eCOE, select your name from the drop-down box, and also do the signature date. You will then go to the bottom right-hand corner and click on Save My Work. Then you will want to go to the top of the page on the left-hand side and submit your COE for review. If your COE has been rejected, you will want to make sure that you address that right away. Make sure that your COEs tab is selected, and where it says COEs with status, click on Requires Attention. That should pull up your COE that has been rejected. If you go to the 3 lines again, the hamburger, you will have the option to edit your COE. Once the COE opens up, on the top left-hand corner, you'll want to click on View Log. The View Log window will open up and will have notes from Claudia and what needs to be addressed on your COE in order for it to move forward. You will close the View Log window and address appropriate issues. You will then save your work and submit the COE again for review. You can view the COE and it will appear like this. You could also print it out as long as you see that it has been signed and approved by the SEA. Who to contact. If you would like further training or need technical assistance with MIS2000, please contact me and I will be happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.